Gulo gusto ng China, di ba? Ito na ang hinihingi niyong gulo. US Indo-Pacific Command nagpadala ng Carrier Strike Group sa West Philippine Sea. Pinangungunahan to ng USS Carl Vinson, isang nuclear-powered aircraft carrier ng US Navy 7th Fleet. Giyera gusto ng China, di ba? Yan na, hinahamon na kayo ng US. Kasalukuyan tong nasa South China Sea pa lang at papunta na ng West Philippine Sea. Pero malayo pa ang aircraft carrier, bakit parang naduduwag na agad itong monster ship? Samantalang kahapon lang nasa Mindoro pa kayo ha. Ngayon papaalis na at umikot na agad sa Baho de Masinloc. Mayabang lang ang China kasi alam nilang nagdadalawang isip pa ang AFP bombahin sila. Ngayong US Navy aircraft carrier na ang gagawa, tatakbo na kayo agad. Pero habang papaalis nga ng West Philippine Sea ang barkong yan ng China, mukhang papalitan to ng mas maliit na barko base sa pagmamonitor ng Philippine Coast Guard.
China Coast Guard 5901 left, but initially we thought it is leaving for good, no? And then eventually we realized this morning na it is not a total departure of the China Coast Guard. It is just going to be replaced.
Pinalagan naman ng Chinese Embassy ang paninita ng Philippine Coast Guard pati na ang pagsali ng US Navy. Bakit raw sila sisitahin? Inaayon naman raw sa batas ang pagpapatrolya ng China sa kanila raw teritoryo. Paano kaya naging teritoryo ng China ang West Philippine Sea? Wala namang batas na nagsasabing sa inyo yan. Nahihibang na ata tong Chinese Embassy sa Maynila. US na nga ang bahalang magpalayas dyan kung hindi pa rin aalis. Dahil itong Philippine Navy hanggat wala pa atang namamatay hindi aaksyon. O baka naman nag-iingat lang sila. Ayaw kasi ng Philippine Navy tayong magsimula ng pag-atake. Dapat China ang unang aaksyon.
We have always measured response in carrying out maritime law enforcement and also in challenging the unlawful presence of the Chinese Coast Guard. This just goes to show, no, that it is the Chinese government that is escalating the tension, that they are provoking us. As far as the Coast Guard is concerned, we're not going to be threatened, and then at the same time, not to carry out actions that would escalate the tension.
Kasalukuyan pa rin tong sinusundan ng BRP Cabra habang papaalis at balak ng palitan ng PCG ng mas malaking barko, BRP Teresa Magbanwa. Baka kasi alam nyo na, maulit-ulit yung nangyari nakaraan na akala ng lahat lalayas na, babalik din pala agad. Dito para daw mas matagal sa dagat ang BRP Teresa Magbanwa.
Dahil alam naman natin na pangit ang panahon ngayon sa gawing bahaging ito ng karagatan ng Zambales. So there is a need for us to replace the 44-meter vessel with a larger 97-meter vessel to sustain our presence and monitor the continuous illegal and unlawful presence of the Chinese Coast Guard vessels. One thing here is clear, despite whether it's a monster ship or a smaller China Coast Guard vessel, they are still violating the international law, they are still disregarding UNCLOS, and they are still violating our sovereign rights. And their presence in our exclusive economic zone remains and, constantly should be called out as unlawful and illegal.
Tingin nyo ba pag andyan na ang US Navy magsisilayasan lahat ulit yan? Nawawala kasi ang yabang ng China pag US Navy na ang kaharap. Ano sa tingin nyo? I-komento sa baba ang inyong salob.